All right, I'm going to answer this. So, I always say I'm 90% done, okay? Because I got a hysterectomy and I got 3 stages of bottom surgery left. So, I'm not 90%, I'm 50%, okay? I have a different thing about it. Like, if I have even 1 stage of bottom surgery, if someone literally comes up to me like, you got bottom surgery, I'm going to say yes. You know, because I'm getting it. Like, I already have it. I have had a little bit of it, you know. I'm not going to be like, no, I'm 1 stage and be like, no, I got the tube down. You know, I'm not going to, like, say all that. You know, that's kind of weird. Mostly if, like, people are just trying to know, like, just a quick answer, which I don't know why someone would ask me that. That's not trans. If someone that's trans asks me that, it doesn't matter. But, like, if someone that isn't trans asks me that, I feel like that's a little gross. But, yeah, let me tell you my stages. So this is what I think. This is how I think percentage, okay? So the first thing is coming out socially, you know, and then getting your documents changed to like your birth marker change, your name change on your documents, and then starting testosterone, getting a hysterectomy, and then the last one, getting bottom surgery. And these are the last 2 I have. I need to get a hysterectomy and bottom surgery, but I 100% doubt, like I do 100% doubt, 99.9% doubt that I'm going to get a bottom surgery. Because first of all, I'm in a loving relationship now, so who else is going to be seeing me naked except for me and my partner, you know? So like, what's the point of getting bottom surgery? It's a lot of money. Do I really want to waste it on that? Like, obviously this wasn't a waste. Like, I'm happy, I'm finally confident in my body, but under my pants, who's going to look like my top, you know, people are going to see me shirtless, you know, when I go to the beach and all that. So I kind of needed that, you know, to feel happy, to be shirtless at the beach. But bottom surgery, I never need to be naked at the beach, you know, or out in public, only in my house. So I don't ever think I'm actually going to get bottom surgery, to be completely honest. It's too much money. Let me show you. Phyloplasty, this is the one I want to get. This is also in 2018, so I don't know if it's accurate anymore, okay? But this is it. So it can be up to 20, all the way up to 150. If I got that, if I have $150,000, if I had that much money, bitch, I'm taking my whole family to Hawaii and living there for the rest of my fucking life, okay? Like, I'm not going to just be getting one kind of surgery. I mean, maybe if I have so much bottom dysphoria, but I got a lot of FTM, like Packers, STPs, all those kind of things, and I'm pretty confident, you know, in what I have right now. I mean, I still have dysphoria, but like, not that much money worth dysphoria, because I could do anything I wanted with that much money. You know, mostly living here in Iowa, I could do anything with this money, okay? I'm rich if I have this much money in Iowa. So, yeah, yeah. So, if you think about it, all I have left is a hysterectomy. I still have bottom surgery in mind. Maybe someday if I become a billionaire or someone wants to pay for it, so come on, send my money. I'm just kidding, don't send me money. But other than that, probably just a hysterectomy. I'm probably never going to get bottom surgery, but we'll see.